NetSuite certification is a big deal. It's proof that you know your way around NetSuite ERP. Whether you're an admin, consultant, or developer, having this certification helps you stand out. It's like a gold star on your professional resume, showing employers and clients you really know your stuff. Plus, it's a great way to boost your career. Who doesn't love an edge in the job market? I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Why should you care about NetSuite certification? Well, it's more than just a badge. It's a trust signal. Employers love it, clients value it, and it makes you look like a NetSuite wizard. It opens doors to better job opportunities and career growth. And let's be honest, having that extra confidence to tackle tricky NetSuite tasks makes the certification worth it. NetSuite offers different certifications based on roles. If you love keeping things running smoothly, Administrator certification is for you. Implementation gurus can grab the consultant certification. Developers who enjoy tweaking and coding can go for developer certification. And for everyday users, there's a user certification. Pick your path and become the NetSuite expert you were meant to be. Let's talk money. Certification exams aren't free, but they are an investment in your future. First, we'll break down the fees, including hidden costs, because surprises are great for birthdays, not exams. Then, we'll explore discounts and vouchers that can save you some cash. We'll also compare costs with other certifications to see if NetSuite is a bargain or a splurge. Finally, we'll discuss the return on investment, because spending wisely is just as important as passing the exam. Getting certified is great, but staying certified, even better. First, we'll cover how long your certification lasts before it needs a refresh. Then, we'll walk through the renewal process. Don't worry, it's easier than renewing a passport. We'll also discuss the recertification exam, because yes, there's another test. But hey, staying certified keeps you ahead of the game. And who doesn't love being the expert in the room? So you've got the certification. Now what? First, let's talk job roles. Whether you want to be a consultant, administrator, or developer, there's a spot for you. Then we'll discuss salaries, because let's be honest, we all want to know the paycheck potential. We'll also explore industries that love NetSuite certified professionals. And finally, networking. Because sometimes it's not just what you know, but who you know. Everyone loves a good success story. We'll start with real-world examples of professionals who aced the certification and transformed their careers. Then, we'll see how certification helped them climb the ladder. Of course, no journey is without challenges, so we'll discuss obstacles they faced and how they tackled them. Finally, we'll wrap up with lessons learned, because learning from others' experiences is way better than making the same mistakes yourself. NetSuite vs. the world. First, we'll compare NetSuite with other ERP certifications, because knowing your options is key. Then, we'll talk difficulty level and exam format. Spoiler alert, no certification is easy. We'll also discuss industry recognition and demand, because you want a certification that actually helps your career. Finally, we'll help you decide which certification aligns best with your goals, because choosing wisely is half the battle. Passing the exam isn't magic, it's strategy. First, we'll cover study resources and prep tips to make sure you're ready. Then, we'll highlight common mistakes, because learning what not to do is just as important. We'll also talk time management, because running out of time mid-exam is a nightmare. And finally, post-exam steps, because once you pass, it's time to celebrate and plan your next move. You did it. Now, let's talk next steps. First, how to use your certification to boost your career, because it's more than just a fancy title. Then, continuing education, because learning never stops. We'll also discuss networking, because making connections can open doors. And finally, staying updated with industry trends, because being ahead of the curve keeps you relevant. Certification is just the beginning. Let's make it count. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.